Hello students, this is Dr. T.G. Umar, Department of Commerce and Management, Maharanese College, Bangalore. I will be covering the problem on redemption of debentures. So this is session uh, 16. So under unit 2, let's go with the problem straight away. So Manya Limited issued 210% debentures of rupees 100 each, past journal entries in the books of the company if the debentures were issued as follows. So I am passing the journal entries both for the issue as well as the redemption here. So 5 cases have been given. Now let us see how the items will appear in the journal entries. Let us see. First is issued at par and redeemable at par. So when you are issuing the debentures at par, the bank account is debited with 20,000. The debentures account is credited with 20,000. So this is the first entry. And when it is redeemed at par, you will do the reverse of the first journal entry. That is 9%, 10% debentures account debited to bank account. So 20,000 is shown there. Now issued at discount of 5% and repayable at par. So here the bank account is debited with 19,000. Discount on the issue of shares is debited to our account, that is discount on issue of debentures account with 1,000 rupees. And we always maintain the debentures account at the nominal value. We can't change that. Okay, so 20,000 is what we credit to the debentures account. So when it is paid at par, 10% debentures account is debited with 20,000 to bank account. So this is how the journal entry is passed. So issued at a premium of 10%, repayable at par. So you are issuing the debentures at a premium. So bank account is debited to 22,000, to debentures 10% debentures account 20,000, securities premium account 2,000. So this is how the journal entry is passed when the amount is received towards the premium. And when it is repayable at par, again we pass the journal entry to be 10% debentures account debited to bank account with 20,000 rupees. So the fourth transaction journal transaction is issued at par. So when you issue the debentures at par, we don't have any issues in here. So bank account is debited with the nominal value to 10% debentures account with 20,000. So you are redeeming the debentures at a premium of 10%, right? So what we do is 10% debentures account debited to 20,000. Premium on redemption of debentures account is debited with 2,000 to bank account. So your total payment done by the company is 22,000. So that is what is the amount that the bank account is credited with. So fifth is issue of the debentures at a discount of 5%. So here you are issuing the debentures at discount. So bank account is debited with 19,000. So discount on issue of debentures is 1,000. So if you add up the both the values, the nominal value is 20,000. So that will be credited to the debentures account. Finally, it is repaid at a premium. So 10% debentures account. So debenture account is always maintained at the nominal. We can't change that. Only the premium or the discount will have to, transfer to the respective accounts. So premium on redemption of debentures account is debited to the bank account 22,000. So if you see here, the amount that is going out of the business is 22,000. So bank account is reduced to the extent of 22,000. That is the reason that we go with crediting the bank account with 22,000. So this is about this problem. Thank you.